Hello. You asked and I listened. So I get a lot of requests for like a self-dentist exam. So I thought I would kind of put my own spin on it and kind of explain what I do to take care of my own teeth. Kind of like a self-care dental version. So without further ado, I am going to put on my gloves. And then I'm going to show you how I take care of my teeth first. What I use, all that stuff. And then at the end, I am going to do some like exam on myself. Get a different writer. Do an exam on myself with like teeth squeaking and mouth sounds. So if that's not your favorite thing to listen to, then don't watch this video. Maybe you could watch the first part because there's not really mouth sounds there. These are the Amex Professional, size small, but they kind of fit like extra smalls, like the McKessons. They smell so good. Okay, and the left hand. Also, if you don't like looking in people's mouths, this is not the video for you. I am also being very vulnerable and showing you the inside of my mouth. So, don't put in the comments that I have gingivitis or whatever. I don't know. Okay, they are on. Let's move it out of the way, this box. And obviously, I brush my teeth at least 2 times per day. Sometimes more, depending if I ate something stinky or if I had something sugary, and you can feel the film on the teeth. I use an Oral-B Braun toothbrush, electric toothbrush. I've had this toothbrush for a while. It's a good investment. You change out the heads like that, and it spins, and if you brush too hard it turns red, and it tells you when you have brushed for about the appropriate length of time, so you don't brush too quick and you get all of the good stuff. I have a tongue ring, and so I will brush the tongue ring every time to get it all clean. An electric toothbrush is necessary, especially a good one, because it just does a better job. I think that's like known, that dentists say that. And then I use antibacterial toothpaste with Whitening. I get a big pack of these at Costco. So I love it. Makes my breath fresh. So good. Put it on my toothbrush and brush my teeth. And then always don't forget, floss your teeth. Yes, I do it every day. And these are my favorite flossers because they don't rip or fray, and they don't shred. So I love them, and they're kind of minty, which is nice. They also come with a little scraper for your teeth. How about you come here and I'll brush your teeth for you? Okay? I'm gonna put some toothpaste on it. And then swish and spit, and then let's floss your teeth. Go ah. I go in there and I scrape the sides and then pull down. Yes. And then scratch off any plaque. And then, of course, since you just flossed, maybe there is some gunk floating around your mouth still. You will need to rinse. I use sea salt rinse because I do not like Listerine. It dries out your mouth and is, in my opinion, not the greatest for you. So I use this, and you can go ahead, take a swish, and spit it out. Good. And then after that, I always, probably like at least once a month, always do a whitening treatment on my teeth. I have stopped drinking coffee, and I just drink green tea now. So thankfully, my teeth aren't stained much, but I do enjoy a good glass of red wine, so I have to use these sometimes. And so you put these on for about 50 minutes, and then the last 10 you use the light to whiten your teeth. Yes. So that's how I take care of my teeth. That's what I use. That's what I do. Let's commence this warning. If you do not like mouths or teeth or up close, please move on. So I'm gonna if you're wondering what that is, my lip stain, I have like a scar right there. So someone asked me if I got lip filler. No, it's just my lip stain staining my scar. So when I was younger, I had braces for 4 years. Rubber bands, retainers. So, when I first got my braces off, my teeth felt so slimy. It was fun. I think I have pretty big teeth. I also thought it would be fun to kind of overview the chart of teeth here. So these big ones right here are called the central incisors, and these are the lateral incisors. And then 11, well, on this chart it's 11, these ones that look kind of like bangs are called the cuspid, or the canine or eye tooth. And then that one is the first bicuspid. I don't think I have, actually, I only have one bicuspid. You're supposed to have two, but my mouth is too small for all my big teeth, so I had to have a lot of teeth pulled when I was younger. So I only have one at the bicuspid, and then I have two molars in the back. I had to have all of the second bicuspids pulled permanently, and I also had to have the wisdom teeth taken out. I had to get mine surgically removed. Teeth problems are so fun. So that's my teeth. I love my teeth. I do have a little chipped tooth right there. I think it's because when I first got my tongue ring, I would like bite down on it. And that's my tongue. Yes, so I have had a lot of dental work done. I really love that sound. And I take care of my teeth. So I hope you liked this video and it inspired you to take good care of your teeth. And let me know if you liked the teeth squeaking. Thanks for watching.